birthday, mahal. Sana marami pang birthday ang iyong marating. Wala na akong masasabi pa. Happy birthday.
Hi, Father! Happy birthday! More birthday to come. Sana pag walang pato kayo, wag mainit ang ulo, ha? Alam niyo, bukas kasi manadating na kotse, Eme. Happy birthday! Mahal na mahal namin kayo.
Tatay, love you.
Hello, happy birthday! Huwag ka na sana magtrabaho, ako na lang. Ha? Hello? Magkakawa ko ng bahay. Tapos bibigyan na tayo ng pera, mayaman na tayo. I love you. Magpalakas ka lang. Happy birthday! Thank you! Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, happy birthday. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday, Lolo Pepe. Mahal na mahal po kita. Hello, happy birthday. Sana po wag po kayo magkasakit at malusog. Na mahal po namin kayo. Love you. Hello, happy birthday. Sana wag po kayo magkatakit. Sana mahal po namin kayo. Love you. Happy birthday, Lolo Pepe.
Yeah!
Happy birthday, Lolo Pepe.
Happy birthday, Lolo Pepe! Happy birthday, Lolo Pepe!
Birthday, Lolo.
Birthday, Tatay! Mahal ko kayo!
Mahal ko po kayo.
Maligayang karawan po, Tio Pepe. More birthdays to come.
Happy birthday nga pala kay Kuya Pipe. Sana mag-ingat ka palagi. Alagaan mo lagi yung mga manok natin dyan. At sa susunod tayo magsasabong.
Birthday. God bless you. Okay? Alright? Panalo.
Sana laging malakas at laging masaya. Sabihin ng iyong apo at asawa. Laging malusog. Happy birthday again. Okay na?
More birthday to come. Good health. God bless you always. Be happy and enjoy your moment. Happy birthday.
Today is a very special day, and I'd like to share the glorious moment of another milestone in your life. You have achieved so much, and you need not really feel bad about everything that transpired during the last few days. You did your best, and next time, given the chance, I'm sure that you will succeed and do better. Today, I just want to say, mabuhay ka. Happy